15 million years ago, something impossible happened in Antarctica. Picture your morning coffee cooling on the kitchen table. Within an hour, it's lukewarm. By evening, it matches room temperature. That's thermal equilibrium. Everything naturally moves toward the same temperature. It's one of physics' most reliable rules. Now, imagine that same coffee somehow still steaming hot after sitting untouched for 15 million years. Lake Vostok is Earth's ultimate contradiction. A body of liquid water larger than Lake Ontario hidden beneath 2 miles of Antarctic ice, cut off from sunlight since before our earliest human ancestors existed. Think of it like a thermos bottle, but backwards. Your thermos keeps hot things hot by trapping air between 2 walls. Lake Vostok stays liquid because ice, surprisingly, makes an excellent insulator. The deeper you go, the more that massive ice sheet acts like a planetary blanket, holding in Earth's own geothermal heat rising from below. But here's where it gets stranger. Imagine sealing a jar of pond water and forgetting it in your basement for 15 million years. You'd expect to find nothing but sterile, lifeless liquid. Instead, Lake Vostok appears to be teeming with microbial life, organisms that have been evolving in complete isolation since the ice first formed above them. The pressure down there is crushing, literally 60 times what you experience at sea level. Yet somehow life adapted. In the first few thousand years after the ice sealed Vostok away, any surface organisms trapped below would have faced a stark choice: evolve or die. The lucky survivors learned to live without sunlight, feeding on chemicals and minerals instead of photosynthesis. Generation after generation, they became something entirely new. Over the following millions of years, this sealed ecosystem developed its own evolutionary rules. With no genetic exchange from the outside world, life in Lake Vostok diverged from everything else on Earth. Scientists suspect these organisms represent a completely unique branch of life, Earth's own alien experiment. By now, 15 million years later, Lake Vostok has become something unprecedented, a living time capsule. The organisms thriving in its dark waters may be unlike anything else on our planet. They've had geological ages to perfect survival in conditions that would instantly kill most surface life. But here's what flips everything on its head. The ice that should have been Lake Vostok's death sentence became its life preserver. Without that massive frozen lid, the lake would have dried up millions of years ago, taking its unique ecosystem with it. Antarctica's harshest feature created its most remarkable sanctuary. This isn't just about one strange lake. If life can survive for geological ages under 2 miles of ice, in crushing pressure and total darkness, then our search for life beyond Earth just got a lot more interesting. Jupiter's moon Europa sits beneath similar ice. Saturn's moon Enceladus too. Suddenly, every frozen world in our solar system becomes a potential home for life. 15 million years ago, Antarctica accidentally created the perfect laboratory for testing life's limits. Today, Lake Vostok sits patiently beneath its ice, holding secrets that could change how we see life itself. Some mysteries are worth the wait. Subscribe for more Simulated Earth.